In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop PNC mobile banking app notifications. If you're getting a lot of alerts from your mobile banking app and you wish to disable them or turn them off permanently, then it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, to do this, you need to access the app info page, and you can do this through settings or even your app's shortcut. So just long press on your app and you should see app info. Tap on it to access the app info page. However, if you can't see this app info, you should see a settings gear just like this one, but here on this pop-up. Or if it is missing, you should see the name of the app. Just tap on it to access the app info page. At this point, look for permissions section, and under permissions, scroll down until you see notifications. So for this tutorial, I'm on a Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android. So if you tap on this now, all these notifications are on, and you can see them: notification badges, floating notifications, lock screen, play sound, vibration notifications, as well as permanent notifications. With this on, you'll always receive those alerts. So to disable them and to avoid any pop-ups further, just toggle off show notifications, and from now henceforth, you never again see alerts from PNC mobile banking app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.